Hey guys, Theo from CloudNC again. We've just wrapped our second day at EMO, and I found a few really cool things that I wanted to talk about and showcase. The first was a 5-axis laser cutter that sends the laser down a water jet, and the water jet doesn't actually do any cutting, it just clears debris away, it cools down the metal, because of course thermal shock is an issue in laser cutting, and this just gets rid of that issue. It looks absolutely amazing, and if you have a Swiss watch, then apparently this machine has touched that. If you have diamond PCB cutters, then they're honed with this kind of technology. The second thing that I saw, which is new to me, but maybe not new to everybody, is a multi-spindle multiplier attachment. You put it on your spindle, it's powered by your spindle, and then you get 6 more spindles out of your spindle. So if you're doing a 10,000 unit production run, for example, you don't want to invest 3 or 6 seconds in changing tool every cycle times by 10 or 20, then you use one of these. And then no chips in your tool changer, you're just so much faster. Really, really fascinating high volume stuff that I haven't seen before. I've also come across a couple of user interfaces that I would consider more modern. Not quite to the point where we could throw a graduate on there and they would be able to use it without a manual, but certainly to the point where maybe they would only need a day of training and then they would be somewhat useful on the software. And that's a really big step in the right direction. The other thing that I've spent most of my day doing is actually speaking with partners about collaboration, because of course everybody in our industry is here. Everybody exhibiting is somebody that we ultimately want to speak to. And so everyone here is coming not just to sell to customers, but as a massive networking event and a huge opportunity to do business within the precision industry supply industry. Said industry twice. Anyway, just a quick word of warning on something that I have also noticed, which is that it is very difficult to get a coffee here that is good and that you would want to drink. So if you want to have a really good coffee, don't go hunting across all restaurants. Trust me, you won't find one. I spent like 2 hours doing that yesterday. Just go straight to a stand that has something that you want to buy and has a really nice looking espresso machine, get chatting, and then maybe suggest, yeah, let's have a coffee. That would be my recommendation for staying caffeinated. And with that in mind, I think what we're going to spend the next couple of days doing is looking for new innovations. Stuff that was not here a couple of years ago or 4 years ago. And if you are aware of anything that I should be looking at this show, do just send me a message, do let me know, because as mentioned, this place is absolutely cavernous and there's a pretty good chance that I'm just going to miss it if left to my own devices. Okay, let's do it.